Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a foresty green type holiday look, and I just wanted to kind of do something a little bit different but not too complicated for the people who actually want to wear this to like a holiday party or want to wear this at a holiday function. So without further ado, today we are going to be using the James Charles palette. I have the James Charles palette. I actually got it on the first stock, like I got it on the first try. Listen, literally I feel like I don't need another palette. Like, this palette is everything. It has pigmentation, it has the color range, it has the neutrals, it just has everything. And I'm in love with it. And you probably can see the swatches on my arm. So, let's get into it. I've already done my base. And today we're actually gonna be using these shades here, plus a little bit of the browns over here just to kind of deepen up the crease and everything. But we're gonna be doing something kind of simple, kind of, you know, today. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, you can visit my website at www.chariguzman.com and it will be linked down below. Oh, and something really special. I actually have partnered with Amazon and I am a part of their influencers program. So I will also be linking below my link to be able to shop holiday favorites. And it's just gonna be something really cool. I have a lot of cool stuff in there, stuff that I would personally buy and gifts for other people. So it's male, female, kids, whatever. There's something for everybody in there, so you can definitely check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm just taking a brown shade and kind of working that into the crease. So next, I'm gonna go into like a deeper brown shade because I kind of want to make that outer corner a little better. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I have the outer V done and I have my crease done. So now I'm actually gonna start on the lid. I'm trying to decide if I wanna do a cut crease or if I just wanna kinda just slap it on. I'm gonna try slapping it on first. This is trial and error, okay folks? Ooh, yeah. All right, and I'm just gonna use I think this is an e.l.f. brush. Yeah, it's just a flat, it's actually for a concealer, but I kind of like it for this. And then I also use this brush, and it's also from e.l.f. And it's actually the eyeshadow brush, like the C eyeshadow brush. And both of these are really affordable. You can find them anywhere. So I'm gonna give this a little spray. And what this is gonna do is just give it a little more pigmentation. Hopefully, fingers crossed, but I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Next, I'm gonna go in with this more matte green. Yeah, if I don't like it, we can always take it off. And then I'm just gonna go back in on that outer corner because it kind of got lost under the green. Amateur hour. Okay, let's get back into this. And then I'm gonna take that first blending brush that I used, and this one's by BH Cosmetics. This one's really good. And I'm gonna kind of just blend out the crease a little more. actually really feeling this green. And I didn't think I was going to, but I like it. Okay, so next I'm gonna do some liner, and it's going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Fine Liner. This stuff, I don't even know what to say. This stuff is amazing. Literally the best. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So the wing is totally optional. If you're not comfortable doing a wing, you could literally just like draw a line across your eye, and this thing is so easy to use. Like, look at it. Look at it. It's bomb.com. So I also wanted to show you this because now we're on to mascara and lashes. I actually ordered from an Instagrammer that I haven't followed for a while. I don't even actually know her name, but I know the company's name, which is Angel Wings. Oh my God. This is my first book, and I'm not sponsored by her or anything like that. I'm not like, I didn't receive PR, like I purchased this with my money, and I literally love all her lashes. Like I was literally going through, I think I bought like 36 pairs, and I was literally going through and I'm like, I don't know which ones to use because I like them so much. So are you ready for this? Literally, this is not even all of them. This is just a bit of them. If you want like a lash review or something like that, I would be more than happy to do it and kind of show you how to apply them and what I use and all that information. Just leave a comment down below. So I am actually gonna go put my lashes on off camera, and I will be right back. So I literally lost all my footage of me doing my under eyes, highlighting, and doing my lips. So this is the completed look. And I didn't actually lose the footage, guys. I have to be honest, it wasn't in focus. And my memory card got full. So thank you, okay, Canon? Anyway, this is the completed look, and I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it. And if you do, then please, 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 please tag me on your Instagram page, on your Snapchat, on your Facebook. No, not Facebook. Who am I kidding? Not Facebook. But, what is it? Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I'll have all my handles down below, along with my website. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!